Hello everyone, are you still searching for a secured and a high-paying job? Not sure which domain to select? The HR sector might just be the answer you need. Are you willing to master the 5 pillars in HR and you're not pretty familiar with these terminologies like talent acquisition, talent management, HR business, L&D, compliance and governance, HR payroll and many more? Not a problem. SVR Global Innovations is right next to you to master all these concepts right from the basic to advanced level. You will be in the safest hands of industry's leading experts who will build your profile as per the market needs. And the best part here is we are holding a scholarship test process that not only reduces your actual course fees but also unlocks the abundance of placement opportunities. Let your success view get refined with SVR Global Innovations. Click on the below link to register. See you soon.